Okay, guys, I got this great question from a student, and here we're given the graph of a function h of x, right? We don't know its equation or anything. We just know that's what the graph of the function looks like. And we're asked which of the following is the graph of h of x plus 1 plus 3. Okay, so I assume Khan's giving you choices there about which graph to pick. Now, here's what I want to emphasize here. What's happened? This is a topic called graph shifting. Okay, and if we do little things to the input of a function and to the output of a function, it affects the way the graph goes. These are when we add one, right, to the input, it's what's called a horizontal shift, and it's kind of counterintuitive. But if I add one to the input, it just takes all the points of the graph and moves them one to the left. So like this point, the tip of this graph would move right here, and this point would move over one this way. Whoops, I didn't draw so well there. There we go. Okay. So everything's just, and same thing with here. Like this point moves here. The whole thing gets shifted just one unit to the left. Okay, so that's what happens when you. This is called a horizontal shift. When you add one to the input, if you were to subtract one from the input, it would move everything to the right one, to the more positive direction. And then if we, so this is the function, right? And the 1 is inside the input, but the 3 is added to the output of the function. It's after the function has been taken, right? H of x plus 1 is what happens when you evaluate the function at x plus 1. So what happens here, let me use green, is it's a little bit more intuitive. If you add 3 to the output, it actually shifts all those points up 3. So the adding 1 to the input shifted everything to the left one place. Well, adding 3 to the output is going to shift all the points up 3. So this point's going to go 1, 2, 3. This is going to go 1, 2, 3, and this point's going to go 1, 2, 3. Yep, there it goes. Okay, so that's what our new function is going to look something like this, right? It's going to come down here. Its little point is going to be here. It's going to travel up. Okay. So I hope that helps a little bit with these graph shifting problems. There's other kinds of shifts and transformations, but these are just the horizontal and vertical ones.